This orange pound cake is very soft, spongy and also moist. Also, the fresh orange juice is enhancing its taste. Please watch this video till end.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are baking eggless orange pound cake. This cake is very soft, spongy and very tasty to eat. If you like this recipe, please click on like button and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. So let's see the ingredients.
For orange zest, grate oranges slightly. Here I am using quinoa oranges. You can use any kind of oranges which are sweet. Collect the orange zest and keep it aside. Now to grease the cake tin, here I am applying butter and adding 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour. Spread it evenly and remove the excess flour. Now I am placing parchment paper in the cake mold. It is very necessary to put parchment paper to avoid sticking of cake to the mold. Now in a bowl I am taking 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve it properly. Now keep this dry mixture aside. Now in another large bowl, take half cup of thick curd, 1 cup of powdered sugar. I am mixing it properly so that sugar will completely get dissolved. Now here I am adding half cup of oil. Now I am going to mix this mixture for approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Now I am adding few drops of orange food color. This is completely optional. Mix it properly. Now here I am adding 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Give it a mix. Let's add dry ingredients now. Mix it slightly. Mix it using cut and fold method. Do not over mix it. Here I am adding half a cup of fresh orange juice. Now we need to mix it quickly using cut and fold method. I have already kept oven for preheating at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now I am transferring this mixture into the cake mold. Tap the mold to remove any excess air formed. Now bake it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Now let's check our cake. The pin has came out very clean. That means our cake is perfectly baked. I have kept this cake at room temperature for approximately 1 hour to cool it down, and now I am removing the parchment paper. Since we have used fresh orange juice over here, I have not added any kind of essence in this cake because orange have its own flavor and fragrance. Now let's cut the cake. This is so soft and so spongy. Let me show you the piece. See, the cake has risen completely. It's so fluffy, soft and spongy. and also the orange color is looking very pretty. We have made this cake in a very few ingredients. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. If you like this recipe, please click on like button and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.